Hey guys, it's Alex back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which I just got in the mail. This is the white variant. Now, I have the official leather case and a Galaxy Watch 4, which were just some free, well, technically it wasn't free since I did spend like a lot of money on the phone, but they came free with the phone with the pre-order credit. So I think we're going to save the case for another video, and I think we'll open the watch today in this video as well as the phone. So let's get started with the phone. So Samsung conveniently puts these two things here, these two tabs. So this is just going to be an unboxing, so obviously I'm going to set up the phone off camera. Now I'm really excited to see how this is. I am trading in my Flip 3 though for this, so that is the only downside. Wow, this feels really good in my hand actually. So here's my 13 Pro Max, and honestly in size they are pretty similar. So that's why I'm okay with this size, because I've been using the 13 Pro Max. Actually, I feel like this feels better than my 13 Pro Max. We got that S Pen right here. I'm really excited to have this because I have never actually had a Note, so this is going to be cool. I am not calling this thing a Note. This is an S22 Ultra, so please do not call this a Note. This is not a Note. The Note is gone. Now, that matte white color just looks amazing, though. I got to admit. So let's put that off to the side. Let's see what else comes in the box. So this isn't going to be like any bit of a, this is just not a fancy video at all. Here you get a USB-C to USB-C cable and some random manuals in here. So this is pretty much similar to the Z Flip 3 unboxing, well not unboxing, but like packaging that I opened up a few months ago, almost actually a while ago now. So let's put the box to the side and let's peel off some of this plastic so we can see the phone itself. Alright, there we go. I'm going to have to find a good screen protector for this because I do not want to scratch this. This thing is very expensive, let's just say. Now, it feels very premium in the hand. Samsung did a good job with that. Oh, great. There's also the plastic on the side. I'll get that off, though, before I do a first impressions video, but I kind of want to try and get that off right now, off the bottom at least. So, as I was saying, though, this is very interesting. This is actually the first like Ultra phone that I have owned, and it's also my first phone with an S Pen, so I'm really excited. So here this is. I am not going to set this up on camera, so I want to put that off to the side, and let's open up this Galaxy Watch 4. So this should be really interesting using the Galaxy Watch 4 because I wear my Apple Watch every day, so when I'm using my S22 Ultra I'll have a watch to wear as well. So this is cool. I don't know. I'm very I'm lost for words. So here's the watch itself. I mean, this feels cool. This is the 44 millimeter one, or I think it's called the 44. I'm not even sure. I'm thinking of Apple right now. So this is pretty cool. I've never owned a Samsung watch, so I'll probably definitely really have to get into this and figure out how to use it. So let's go back to the phone now. So here is the phone itself. This matte white color, I think I definitely made the right choice. This looks amazing. Just in every lighting, like every side of lighting, it just looks really good. Now I have a bunch of cases to actually review for the phone. Let me grab them real quick. Well, they're over there. I've got the leather case and I've got a Spigen Ultra Hybrid and some Rinke cases so far. But yeah. So that's pretty much this unboxing, but some other things that I have to say is though, this thing feels very, obviously I do feel the square corners, you do feel it in the hand, but it doesn't really bother me that much. But yeah, overall this is the phone, and I'll have more of a full impressions video after like 24 hours or so in a few days. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please subscribe and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.